não, 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 não.
Bem, levante sua mão sedenta e recomece a andar. Não pense que a cabeça aguenta se você parar. Não, 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 não. Há uma voz que canta, uma voz que dança, uma voz que gira, bailando no ar. Bailando no ar.
All I see is just this raging blue. It's like my heart's in two. You've got some blood on you. All I see is just this raging blue. It's like my heart's in two. You've got some blood on you.
We're almost ready, but first off, bro, that short went down to 9,800. When I say I'm going on vacation, you guys are on your own, and your trade is up by 200, you probably should have exited. Don't pin that shit on me. I'll be right back.
Tyler.
I wish I can hold you forever. I wish I can kiss you forever. I wish I can hold you forever. I wish I can kiss you forever. I wish I can hold you forever. I wish I can hold you forever. Forever, 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 forever.
Alrighty, folks. It's good to be back. Let's take a look. See here. Testing 1 2. 1 2. How's our volume to music ratio? A lot of signs popping off here. Bybit is on TradingView. We are currently on the Bybit, I believe we are. Let me double check. We're on the Bybit chart. Before we left the daily blue wave cutting in. For Pete's sake, why is this working? My paintbrush isn't working. Isn't that weird? Nothing's working. That's weird. Let me try a different chart. Huh. Man, TradingView's been funky with me here for some reason lately. Let me try this. It looks like we're either we're at like a potential consolidation break where it could just go down a little bit to maybe 10,600 and continue to go upwards, or it could be at a top here. I'm trying on my other screen here to see if it works on this screen. Just bear with me, folks. This is ridiculous. Alright, 1 second, guys. Turn the screen black. Alrighty, let's try this here. Oh, whoops. Let's see if this works. Yes, it is a black screen. What you're staring at currently. Don't freak out, anybody.
To the beat, yo, we move it.
This isn't looking good, folks. It's not looking good here. Log in. Let's try this.
To the beat, yo, we move it.
What if we just try this? BTC USD. Feature chart. No thanks. Well, well, this is great. This is awesome. I hate clearing my cache. God, I hate clearing the cache. It takes away all, and it never gets the job done. It's like clearing cache, get rid of all this shit, ruin everything, and then it doesn't solve the problem. Let's see here. Where's my cache bullshit? Settings. Is it in settings? If I can't get a volume figure, okay, let's see here. Oh, wait. Clear. Where's the cache bullshit? How do I clear my cache? Ew, CC cleaner sucks. Settings? It's not in settings. Let me try.
Mixed by Rottweiler.
Now I don't have my search. Oh my god. Okay, hang on, folks. Okay, I'm in settings. Bookmark, themes. It's in like manage bullshit. Settings. Yeah, this doesn't look like it normally does too. This is weird. I'm using Chrome. Let's try this. Right, here we go, here we go, here we go. Found it. Alright. Let's see if this works. Appreciate your patience, folks. Oh, great. Now I get to lose all my... Okay, now let's try this. I'm working on it, folks. Appreciate your patience. Still seeing the circles on the trading view charts. This is bullshit. Great. So glad I cleared my cache and all my history and everything, and it still never works. I hate it. God. I'm going back on vacation. Let me try a different browser. This might work. We might, I think we're in business. We're in business. All right, we're back in business. Let's take a look see here. All right, we're in business. So, before we left for vacation, we had the daily cutting in. We were looking at like the 12-hour that was like cutting in. It was like right here or something. And yeah, I mean, Bitcoin's been on a run up. Honestly, I was expecting this, as you all know, to more of just end up being like a lower high and probably stop at 10,000, like 600, 10,300 max. As of now, that looks like that was wrong. But if you've been using Market Cipher, I mean, I'm seeing everyone kick ass. The profit logs have been amazing. The amount of trades that people are hitting in a row. People are hitting 80%, 90%, 100% on all their trades. I mean, look at this. Like, bang, 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 bang. They're just hitting trade for trade. Anyway, so who cares about them? Let's talk about us. So what we want to look for now is the... Let me turn this fucking music off. I just got back from Vegas. I've heard enough music and slot machines and shit. Now, with the daily, are we gonna... There is room for this wave to keep coming up some more. This isn't a lower high yet, sort of, unless we count this wick. So let's zoom in and get a more solid picture on this wick, just to get an idea. So it looks more solid, you know, when we zoom in. Yeah, and so still, yeah, it's about at where it was before. We see there's divergences now that have formed. I don't know what this Firefox keeps changing my screen. Let's go back to the 12 hour. Could possibly, it's not cutting off yet, but it could be getting close. I am currently not in any trades right now. Looking at the 8 hour. Looks like she has cut in. We have a red dot right here that's potentially going to print. It has not printed yet. We go to the 6 hour here, and we see that we're starting to see this divergence forming. Now, when this divergence can be forming, it could still be bouncing on and off downwards a little bit, and the price can still be going up. So there still could be a little more room to go. It still could be going up, even though we're seeing this like bounce a little bit. We're on the 6 hour time frame. Let's go to the 4. Yeah, with the 4, we're seeing that little kind of bounce a little bit. We have our first little divergence right here, which looks like it had the little tiny little trigger right here. Transaction flows thick in the green. Still thick in the green. Yeah, could be, let's see. This is the first time I'm looking at the chart, you know what I'm saying? So I wanted to do it live so we could see kind of what I'm thinking live. Certainly could just be another little thing like this was right here, right? Just this could be just repeating the same type of deal. If it does, that's probably the long opportunity I would be looking for, because when we breach under this green, we rock it up pretty good, and you have like little, I guess you could say, trigger waves right here, right? So potentially I might be looking for another little trigger wave to get back in on a long, maybe in the 10,007s, maybe a little bit lower. That's what I'm assuming for now, given on what we're seeing right now. I mean, we've had the same pattern repeat. Comes up, down a little bit, boom, comes down a little bit. So currently not in any Elliott waves just haven't been playing out. Like, even the ones that are, I mean, this is a textbook Elliott wave, yes, but these Elliott waves have not been playing out, and not the small Elliott waves, the big ones. Like, this is a big one, and they haven't been playing out. Like, every single one of these hasn't actually like broken down a bunch and completed the actual Elliott wave formation. So I'm kind of putting that in the, I'm not really paying much attention to this Elliott wave, the Elliott wave stuff. Not saying it couldn't happen, but how's the 15 been doing? tell you what, for the if you're a noob and you're trying to figure out like what waves to enter in on, when you have an anchor wave that's backed by some good green dots, whether it's a snake eyes or the UFO where there's 3 green dots, those are the trigger waves that end up generally paying off the most, i.e. this one. This was in at 9,900. Beautiful anchor and trigger wave right here. That's market cipher for you right there, baby. That is how you're supposed to be using the blue waves. You get a good anchor with some green dot backup. Boom. Let's go to the 5. Look at the 5. Look at that. Literally what we were just talking about. We had your anchor wave with one little green dot right here. She cut in. You had 5, 10, 15. You had about 10 or 15 minutes trading off the 5-minute to get in at 10,800. Boop. Price went up $80. Here's a closer look at this one. Here we go. Here's your anchor wave backed up by some snake eyes. You had your trigger wave right here. This was at 10,500. This was earlier today. I'm telling you, the 5-minute, the 15. Damn. This was today. You had your anchor, snake eyes, trigger wave, 10,500. See ya. Beautiful. Here you go. Here's another anchor wave backed by a green dot. You have your trigger wave right here. Let's say you entered in right here at 10,500. Oh, went down 10,004, but baby, it came back up. Let's take a look at some shitcoins. Oh, you know what? I forgot to look at something. Oh, yeah, you're right. Yeah. What was the 5-day looking like? Ooh, look at the 5-day. Head and shoulders played out. Then, poop, it's taking a little break right here. It's taking a little break. What do you know about that? I'm telling you, that 5-minute is killer. This is what you want to look for. You want to look for your anchor wave backed by some green dots. Look for your trigger wave. Pull the trigger, and then you are good to go. You are good to go. Let's look at the 2-day. The 3-day. Could this have been the correction? Was this just a correction to keep going? 2-day still shows, there's some room here, folks. 2 days show, the daily shows there's still some room. Right now the transaction flow is reversing. RSIs look like they're heading up. Oh no. If I'm going to long, I'm going to wait for the price. I'm going to wait for, look how these candles have been. Look, you have your candle right here. It went from 97 to 10.4, and then it came back down to 99. Then it went all the way up to 10.6, and then it came back down to 10.2, then it went all the way up to 10.9. Now is it going to come back down to 10.5 or 10.6? So just look at the candles. I'm not going to get in right now at 10,800. I'm not going to long at 10,800. If I'm going to long, I'm going to wait for the zigzag candle to come back down maybe to 10.6s, and that's probably where I'm going to look. I'm going to be looking to pull my trigger. Taking a look at the shitcoin market. Looks like we have a anchor wave right here with the green dot as well. Trigger wave right here. Some potential room. I want to see if it's going to get stopped right here though. 12 hour, it's certainly breached. Look at the 12 hour. You got your anchor wave right here. Got a trigger wave right here. Meh, meh. She might have some room to go. Interesting little zone here. I mean, we spent a good amount of time here. You know, this 200, this area has been support. You know, it's been support. But, you know, I mean, all these people, everyone's bullish right now because it's going up. Such as crypto. You have the divergences forming, and these divergences have just been hitting the little breaks, right? They've been taking breaks. I mean, the trend has been up, and so hopefully everyone's been longing the dips. So that's kind of what you're looking for, just to long the dips. That's what I would be looking for if I wasn't on vacation. Market Cipher works better in traditional markets. People are trading stocks, gold, I mean, everything. Go and look at the Discord yourself, man. Go check it out. Go to the profit logs yourself to see everyone's results. I mean, look at this shit. Everyone's been fucking killing it. They've been killing it. Killing it. Murdering it. Murdering it. A couple good strategies that people have locked down. You know, the blue wave with the trigger anchor strategy. They have the pivot channel strategy. Let's pull up
Yo, what's up, bro?
Here you go. I was bringing you into, if you want to get in on the pivot strategy.
Pivot strategy is cool. We're at like a 2-week pivot high right now, which is kind of making me feel iffy about longing more, you know?
Even the dip, I'd still be a little nervous. Like, I was still like, even if it goes down to 10,600, it's not going to be long in the farm. Like, I don't think I'd be long in the farm, you know?
It looks divergent to me, man. I mean, it looks like a micro version of what it looks like on the daily, or what it looked like on the daily. But yeah, this is like a take profit on longs spot, not necessarily a short spot, because it is an uptrend.
Yeah, I'd have to agree with that. Where we're at right now is like, yeah, I would agree. This is where, if I was in longs, I'd be taking, this is where I'd be like, it's probably might be a good time to take some profit and maybe sprinkle if it takes another breakdown.
Yeah, man, I know like on the daily, there's almost a green dot forming on Cipher A, and on like the 20 hour, it is there. So that's kind of cool. But this up channel we're in is so tight, and up channels usually break down, so I'm kind of just out on the sidelines. I mean, I was looking for a better long entry during that whole up channel, and it kind of just left me in the dust, so. I was thinking it was going to make like a right shoulder or something.
Ah, God, that looks so much better. Okay, here, let's take a look. See here. Yeah, man. I mean, I'm telling you, folks, the 5-minute, 15-minute, the 5-minute, you get your anchor wave with some green dots. Man, we're in an uptrend. This is when you're supposed to be heavy hitting those trigger waves. When we're in an uptrend, you see an anchor wave with one green dot or more trigger wave, boom, pulling the trigger. I had a good time on vacation. It's been a nice few days. But boy, I certainly
You
missed
a
out.
lot, man. I know. Feels like just yesterday Bitcoin was at 9,000.
We're on the 30-minute. Even the 30-minute. Look, even without, look, anchor wave, trigger wave, bam. See, golly. This is easy, too. I missed easy opportunities. Damn. Damn. This is Chinese shit again. These Chinese. Let's go to the higher
Yeah, the
time
hourly
frames.
momentum. The hourly momentum is like with each pump up, it's like diverging like to the power of 2. Or like the big waves are diverging, and then each big wave has like 2 waves in it that are also diverging.
You know, sometimes like so this pattern I feel like we've seen a million times where it like hits the bottom, it comes up, and then it just breaks away. Like it doesn't even come back down. Hopefully, now if this does come back down and it stops, if this comes back down and stops, like a rate above 10,000, 10,001, 10,002. Oh,
Yeah.
but that
we
isn't
want to hold. Yeah.
even recently though. Like this, man, we've been seeing this. We've been seeing this. It has a little skip and rock. The skip and rock. It's going sideways.
There is a little
boom.
left shoulder back there too.
When was what are we on? We're on the 4 hour. So let's see here. When was the 18th? Oh, whoops. Okay.
The Heiken are better than the regular candles. With regular candles, you need to know like 50 different candle formations, and Bitcoin's really volatile. So, I mean, with Heiken, you see your rips and dips, and all you got to know is dojis.
Good. Thank you, Crypto Joe. All you have to do is look right here. Shit. I mean, you had your. I'm like, oh, where did I see this before? Recently. Oh, it was right here. Right here. Kind of. Although this one didn't really come. This didn't come down as much, but it did come down to the halfway mark right here and then take off. And so, yeah. We'll see what regular candles. Guys are so ugly. So ugly.
I mean, we see a succession of green candles, though. I mean, it almost looks like that precursor to the last run we had, where there was like I mean, it's running. We can't ignore that it's on a run right now.
I mean, we've been in the uptrend. So what did this end up breaking? I mean, we have the weekly 35%.
It's a good correction. That's a good correction. 40% was what we were looking for, but when everyone wants 40%, they do 35 and then go up and then they fuck everyone.
This is pretty big right here. The transaction flow on the 5-day, and the VWAP kind of coming back up. I mean, we just got out of such a long time in the red. Like, we just got into the green. Like, is it really time? 9.
Dude, that 5-day. Look at that 5-day flag. What the fuck? I haven't even seen that yet. What the fuck? That 5-day doji closed.
We cut in deep on the transaction on the 3-day, and you know what happens? This could be the curve. This could be the curve.
Oh, yeah, we needed to curve up with that thick money flow.
So I was on the plane with... never mind. I'll keep that. I'll keep that fucking... Never mind. But yes, this... if we zoom in here, we see it's like actually cutting in right here, potentially.
The VWAP's going up, too. The VWAP is, like, ascending.
2 days cutting in. I might... You know, my salivation glands want me just to
Yeah.
get in low leverage, and if it goes down to whatever, I'll just load it up more as it goes down. But can't ignore some of the other indications here on the lower time frames is the 6 and the 8, you know.
It's the hourly that looked weird to me.
I was on the plane with a politician that's running for president. That's what I'll say. A Democrat. There was a Democrat I was on the plane with, and it was a male, and he looked wrecked, red-eyed, hair messy, tired as hell. I didn't talk to him, but he definitely was wrecked, and he's running for president of the United States. It wasn't Bernie. I'm guessing they were all in Vegas. I'm guessing all the Democrats were in Vegas is my guess. So yeah, I was on the plane with one of them. I wanted to talk to him, be like, yeah, I did. I definitely wanted to talk to him, but nah, I left him alone. I'm gonna be like, yo, bro, you look wrecked, bro. It was Beto. I'm just gonna say it. It was Beto. It was Beto. It was the guy that made his wife eat the baby's shit. Mittens.
I got Mittens on stream. Mittens is on the stream.
Mittens.
Mittens can actually call 100x shorts with deadly accuracy whenever she meows.
Mittens. Are you there? Mittens.
Oh,
Oh.
time to 100x short.
Yeah, I was on the Beto. I tell you what, that's a guy's breath you probably
Get
don't
outta
want to
here,
smell. Like, bro, how much do you have your bottle of your baby's shit in paste that you put a little dab under your tongue every day?
Is that really what happened, or are you just...
Dude,
like...
no, he made his wife eat their like newborn's baby's shit for like some health shit. He's like, you have to.
Like, what if someone like described something you did, like, like that can't be what really
Hey,
happened.
people
bro.
do.
That's-
You know the shit.
that sounds like 10 people down in the game of telephone.
Yeah. He did though. He did. They're
Like, he
into
probably
that
like
all
took her to
natural
go get a
shit.
sub sandwich at fucking.
He's like,
I don't
this
know.
is rich in. You need to replace your vitamins. I totally can see it. He's telling. He's like, you've been pregnant for 10 months. You just pushed this baby out. You need to regurgitate some of what you've put in that baby. Now eat that shit. Like,
That's what dogs do.
Okay.
Dog moms eat their puppy shit. I don't think. I mean, he's a liberal. He's not that dominant. He can't be that dominant.
Yeah, so I'm still looking. I'm looking for just a little dip. A little dip. I think I'm looking for a little dip before getting in officially. Yeah, Beta Beto.
Oh, he's already done just because of that.
His eyes were cross-eyed. They were like looking two different ways, and his eyelids were two different lengths down, and one side of his hair was puffed out. I'm like, fuck, man. Did you just roll out of bed? Like, he fucking... I didn't even notice him, too. This old lady next to me is like, don't you see that's Beto O'Rourke right there next to you? And I was like, oh shit, it is. That's, don't you see that Beto O'Rourke right next to you? But he's having a rough day. There was the El Paso. Apparently there was a shooting in El Paso, so he's probably the guy's having a rough day. In fact, let's take a look, see here. Hopefully there not too many people are hurt. 20 people killed in El Paso? Jesus, man.
Does anyone still go to like music festivals or large gatherings? Like, I don't.
I don't. Hell no. Unless I can have a piece on me, you know. Yeah, hell no. It ain't worth it. Very sad. Transaction flow looks like it's coming down here. We're on the 15. Let's take a look, see here. I know, Sid, I missed you too.
That 15-minute money flow is weird. How it turned red for a split second, now it's curving green again.
Take a look at Lockheed Martin. Might have to fire another round at Lockheed Martin here soon. Got our anchor, couple triggers right here. Looks like it's consolidating. I think I'm gonna have to push another Lockheed Martin long right here. 362s probably. We can do a little chart round, folks. If I really don't feel like looking at shit coins, maybe I'll look at a couple shit coins, but we can do a little round. It's weird not having music on. Beautiful lift, short wave, trigger wave right here. Got your anchor, trigger, boop. And remember this is a nice cliff wave. We love these cliff waves. Bang.
Big hanging man.
VFF. Village Farms. Couple green dots. This one didn't really hit that well, but this one did. This one did. Probably wouldn't really trade this. Bogue Warner. Whoa, look at that. Look at this channel. This looks like an easy long. Got a nice little anchor to a little setup here just in a channel. She might have another little kind of like step down though. I don't know what Bone or Warner is, but could be a little potential setup here. Yeah, I mean it's in a little channel here. It's a nice little channel. Might step down to the 32s and the mid 32s.
Yeah, I mean, that's diverging. The lower price action and even momentum.
New Gold Incorporated. This kind of looks a little ugly. This looks a little ugly to me. Looks like we missed out on a good short opportunity on this one on the 2 hour. It's kind of this looks like this is a pump and dump stock. It pumped. It's kind of like in the beginning phase, mid phase of a dump. Maybe I'd look to re-enter somewhere around $1 if I was looking along. Equifax. What's Equifax? Definitely want to take a look at Equifax. These shitheads. Wow. These bastards are pumping even though they're screwing everybody. Everyone's getting their info stolen. That's an inside job. Inside job.
Diverging though. Even momentum, higher price.
Couple snake eyes on the hourly. Green dots look like they do rather well overall. Yeah, there was 1 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7 out of 8 green dots turned into nice longs with Equifax. This looks like it might be a good one. Might look like a good one. Kind of opportunity we have here. Well, then maybe a little 2-3% trade right here. Do a little 10x leverage. You're at 30-40%. Might have to take notes. Put that one on your notebook. What's Capital One's? COF. These people also screwed everybody by getting everyone's information leaked and busted. Let me expand this actually. Enhance. Enhance. I would probably maybe let this come down a little bit before re-entering. Maybe looking at 83s. I feel like there might be a little sweet spot to long Capital One if it comes down to 83s. KYC chicken. Sounds like that'd be like a good crypto blog parody website. KYC chicken. There's an idea for one of you assholes out there. SWKS. Skyworks. On the 5-day, looks like there was a nice little setup right here. We had a UFO sighting with the green dots right here. Those turned out pretty decent. Got your trigger wave right here. Me. Zoom in. She's a little lukewarm. Again, in the mid. It's too late to make a move on this. I would let this probably settle to the downside. It's in a little channel where I would look to. Trading stocks is so damn easy. I don't know how people lose money trading. Like, how do people lose trading this shit? I'm so sick of looking at Tesla, but I'll look at it for you people anyways. She just got out of a mean battle right here. She probably has a little more room to the upside. Let's look at the daily. If the blue wave has come down a little bit, let's go down a little bit. Yeah, it might be a little long opportunity for Tesla Motors. I would say this might be a good little long opportunity for Tesla Motors. Yeah. On the 30-minute, looks like the 30 minutes been pretty good besides this downtrend. Obviously, I mean, it's in a huge downtrend, but now that downtrend is over, we're in an uptrend. That's when you want to look for your anchor waves, look for your green dots if you're longing. Remember, got to identify your environment. If it's in an uptrend, that is when you're looking for your green dots and your anchor waves. You see that the momentum's on the upside, not the downside. So you want to go with the momentum on that along the bottoms. Not bad, Tesla. What a relief. Take a look at Amazon. It's enhance. Amazon on the 2-day. Looked like there was a nice little short opportunity. What percentage was it? Wow. Amazing short opportunity. Missed. 2, 4, 6.
Wow, that
about a week
divergence
ago.
is crystal clear.
Yeah.
The higher peak with the lower momentum. Wow.
Let's see if she's turning around. Got a little green dot on the 6 hour. Like a 6 hour. Might be a good little Amazon. I don't know. The FANG stocks looks like might be sinking their teeth here soon, folks. I mean, she might have a little room to come down a little more. No,
but that's a nice 6-hour oversold reading on upward support, dude. That's so good. I think Amazon's an easy read right now. Look at that bearish divergence, and now we're bouncing off support.
What day is it today? I think we have to open up the bull. It's time to open up the bull shark trade group. We'll have to make sure our final things are set in motion. Maybe tomorrow or Monday we'll open up that group. We'll open up the bull shark group because, yeah, it looks like there's going to be some trades we're going to be wanting to enter here.
Yeah, dude. I got to handle some stuff, so I'm going to ditch the stream, but thanks for having me.
Thanks for being on. I need to take a nap. I just got back in town, folks. I just wanted to stream a little bit. It's good to be back from vacation. Hopefully you all, have been doing well. And yeah, we're back from vacation. We're going to be opening up the stock trading group as well. Look forward to having those of you that want to be in. And don't go to strip malls and bullshit out there. People are crazy out there.